Hi guys, it's Pretty Grace here, and like you saw in the last video of making slime, I failed. So I'm gonna show you it again. So first we've got clear slime and glitter glue, and we've got pink glitter and white sparkly glitter and silver glitter, and we have silver and white glitter so I can make it lighter. So and I've got some activator too, so we're gonna start to do it. First,
half of that.
We're going to do half of that one and half of this one. So that's alright.
There you go.
And that's that one. And now we're going to add a little bit of pink.
You can add all of that if you want. Give it a good shake.
It's going to take a while to make it. So we might take a while, but it won't take long. So
give it a good shake.
And guys, if you're new to my channel, then subscribe and hit that like button. So we might just
have a bit of help.
My mum's just gonna give me a little bit of help.
Right on.
So we are gonna add the 3 glitters, and it's pink, white, and silver. All of them. So my mum might take a while doing it.
Last little bit.
And we might not want to add the shaving cream today because we don't have it, so we aren't going to put it in today.
There you go.
And that's all of the glue for me. That's the glue. And now we're going to add the pink first.
Only a sprinkle.
And now we're going to add
only a little sprinkle.
And I'm only going to do a little sprinkle. So.
A bit more. That's it, tap it outside. A little bit more. There you go, that should be alright.
And
that's
that's
silver.
Some of them. So we're going to add some silver now. There. So my mum's just adding a little bit of the glue.
Come on, carry on putting the silver in.
We are going to be a bit quiet, so
there you go.
And that's some of the silver. Now we're going to
mix it up.
Start to mix it up. I'm going to start to mix it up. We're going to add some activator in a minute, aren't we? So we might take a while. Look at it, guys.
That's looking pretty.
It's starting to look very pretty.
Put a little bit more of this in.
My mum's going to add a little bit more white so it gets lighter. Add some silver. My mum might add some silver.
There we go.
And that's all the glitter we're going to add. Mum, shall I put this thingy in now?
Put some activator in now.
And now we're going to put some activator in. There.
More. 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 There.
Guys, I might be quiet for a bit. Okay, so I'm starting to mix up the activator with my slime. It might get a bit thick, so we might. Well, we're not gonna film today, I think. When I'm finishing the video. Okay, guys. So when we finish the video, when we're nearly finishing the video, I'm gonna show you guys the slime.
Get your hands in now and mix it up.
And now I'm gonna put my hands in. Get this.
Come, use it. Take all that off with your hand.
Guys, now I'm gonna start to get in with my hands. So.
Try and get it all off the sides.
Okay. So guys, I
quick.
think
Put it back in. Put it back in and mix it all up. Rub it all along the sides.
Okay. So guys, we're probably just gonna add some more activator in.
Is that starting to turn?
Yeah, it's getting a bit sticky. Guys, it's starting to get a bit sticky, so we might have not failed. So, because wait.
Keep playing with it, it needs kneading.
Because just when my mum made some slime by herself, so I'm trying it out now. So we're just gonna take a while, guys. So you must. This is like my third video, and as you can hear that, so it might just be a little.
Rub it all around the sides and then
Guys, I think I need to slide it all around the side. So I'm gonna start. I pretty like the paint. It looks very pretty. guys, I just needed a little help from my mum. So we have made slime. I'll show you. Like, look, it's proper slime. And so we are going to show you the other slimes now. Pass me mine. So the first one is going to be mine. And then here's mine. And this one's my brother's. So look, guys. Here's Ollie's. So today we just found some more activator. We found some activator. And my mum put it in the slime whilst I was holding pickles. Whilst I was holding my rabbit. So guys, if you want to follow me on what? Pretty Grace, then you'll see my hamster, my rabbit, Pickles. And this is my slime. Look at it, guys. It's super good. I'll get it out for you now. Thank you for watching. Bye.